All right, I've sanded on it. I've sanded on it. I've sanded on it and sanded on it. I don't think I can do anything else. I am pretty proud of it though. Can I show it to you? Now it might look like it has scratches in it, but I'm telling you it's smooth as a baby's bottom. That, I don't know what that was. Somebody else did that before I got it, you know, put all these grooves in it, but I tried to sand it as smooth as I could. Some kind of paint was on here. I made this kind of sharp so I could cut off metal right there. Then I rounded these off, rounded the sides off here, made this as flat as I could. That was a booger getting through that right there, but we did it. Oh, sorry about the shadow guy. I'm guessing it's about 40 pounds now, probably. Maybe a little bit more. It's 19 inches from here to here. Well, I gotta say, I am pretty proud of it. It turned out a lot better than I thought it was gonna. It looks a lot better than I thought it was gonna. And I really appreciate it, Sam and Julian, for helping me with it. If it wasn't for you two, man, it'd be weeks and weeks and weeks before I got it to this point. So I really can't wait to bang something on it. And I appreciate you guys hanging out with us while we built it. So we'll see you next time. Bye.